didn't quite go exactly like Mr. Ormsby said. My client did arrive at the Y sometime close to around 8 o'clock that day, where he has been working out for approximately a year and a half. And he has certain friends that he works out there. He lifts weights. In fact, you will see pictures of my client in workout clothes. And he's got some guns on him. He's got some incredible guns on him. Okay? He's got some arms. You will hear that Corey goes in, and this is what he tells the police, because he's cooperative with the police. He goes in, he cannot find his cell phone from the time he enters the Y. Shortly thereafter, he goes out the spa door, which apparently is used frequently by some of the people to exit the Y to look for his cell phone. He goes out to look for that cell phone. Roughly, actually, I believe it's 2 minutes or 3 minutes later, Carolyn Koblenz is seen exiting the Y because she's done with her workout, and she's done earlier than her husband. She goes out there to her vehicle. I believe she goes in. She says it's not uncommon for her to go in and listen to music, listen to stuff, while her husband's working out, waiting for him. She's in that vehicle doing that. Which got some real problems with this story that supposedly my guy is in there taking money and all that. But you'll hear about that later. So Carolyn will say that she hears somebody at the back door. Finds it a little bit unusual, but thinks her husband must be putting something in there, wasn't paying that much attention. And Carolyn then feels hand on her head, pushes her head down into the console. She says anywhere from 3 to 5 times. And she gets, basically, she gets a bloody nose. And you'll see pictures of her face. And I'm going to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't look good. It's, it's bruised like you would expect it to be bruised, like black eyes and stuff like that. It looks bad. Is it a serious physical injury? No. Did my client do it? You're going to see my client in his workout clothes. I'm telling you, if he did it, I think he would have killed her. Or at least broken something. But here's where the problem comes in, because according to Mr. Ormsby, my client had gone out there and somehow stolen Jack Copeland's car keys, which I will say were also tested. There were no fingerprints, no nothing on the car keys. I will tell you that the Koblenz car was tested. DNA. It was tested for fingerprints. They found nothing, absolutely nothing, in the Koblenz's car that showed any evidence that my client had been in that vehicle. You'll also hear Ms.